So first up, we're going to pull this door trim apart quickly and we're going to show you why speaker manufacturers or car manufacturers actually do their speakers the way they do them, and you'll get a realization of why we're actually going to use these SoundSkins Ring kit on aftermarket stereo installations. So let's pull this panel off quickly. So we pulled a couple of these screws off earlier to make it easier, but this is your interior door panel that would actually sit onto your car. So as you can see here, let's show you the speakers. These are the factory speakers that we have here. So if you come in a little bit closer, this is the driver in the door. And as you can see, they've actually put this foam around the face of the speaker. And traditionally, there would actually be around this mid base, there would actually be some foam as well, but it's fallen off over time and around the tweeter here as well. Now, the reason that manufacturers do this, because they're trying to make these cheaper speakers perform as best as possible. And when the door trim goes on, that foam actually seals against the grille here, and that allows the speaker to produce the sound wave directly into your cabin without losing it into this door cavity. Because you can imagine if you're firing the sound out in all different directions and not directing where it'll go, you'll actually lose 20–30% into this door cavity. So this is why it's important to have this acoustic foam. Now, this foam, as you can see, this is not actually a real old car, it's about a 2010 car. It's actually started to deteriorate. That's because it's actual open cell foam, and it's just going to fade over time. It'll get wet, damaged, dry, and brittle and old, and it'll just fall off. But the concept is really, really good. So if you're changing these to new speakers, you want to upgrade your car, it is vital that you actually do this on your new speakers as well, because otherwise you're going to lose all that sound in your door cavity. And that's why you're going to have that issue of not sounding as good when you put this $500 set of speakers in, where some guys put in $150 speakers and they design the enclosure properly. It sounds awesome. So that's the difference here.